In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card to QuickBooks Online. This process is a straightforward way to help manage and track your financial transactions with ease. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to the QuickBooks website. If you're new to QuickBooks, go ahead and sign up for an account. Once you have an account, you'll want to click on the Sign In option for QuickBooks Online. When you sign in, you'll be entering the main hub for all your financial data. Next, enter your account by inputting your login credentials. After successfully logging in, you'll be prompted to click on Continue. This brings you to the main dashboard, where you do most of your financial management tasks. You'll then be asked to enter your password for security reasons, so provide that and continue. Now, you'll see an option to choose the company file you want to work with. This is helpful if you manage multiple businesses, as it keeps your transactions organized in separate silos. Once you've selected your company file, you're almost ready to get started on adding the credit card. From the main dashboard, navigate to QuickBooks and click on the Settings icon. You'll now have access to various account settings, but we're going to focus on the chart of accounts. This feature is essential for organizing all types of accounts, including credit cards, in your financial management system. Inside the chart of accounts, locate and click on New, which will allow you to create a new account. Now it's time to input the account details. Start by entering the account name. It's best to make this name descriptive enough so that it's easily recognizable later. After naming your account, the next step is pivotal. You'll need to choose an account type. For this process, select credit card as your account type. This classification is crucial, as it tells QuickBooks how to manage transactions that fall under this particular account. Now you'll need to select a detail type. This typically reflects the specific kind of credit card or the purpose of the card's transactions. For example, if you use this card for a particular type of expense, make sure to select accordingly. Finally, wrap everything up by clicking on Save. This step confirms the creation of your new credit card account within QuickBooks. From here, you can start associating transactions with this credit card, which will help keep track of your expenses effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully added a credit card to QuickBooks Online. This setup will help streamline your financial tracking, ensuring you have a clearer picture of your expenses and budgets. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.